free Hunter Evolution in Clash Royale, guys. And also Black Friday sale. So if you want this free Hunter Evolution, all you have to do is go to the Supercell store, click on Clash Royale, and get this Hunter Evolution for free. But you can also see that they also have a get 2 pay 1 promo for evolution. So if you have a new account, you don't have much evolutions, you can choose one from each of this list. 1, 2, 3, so around 10 of these evolutions, and one from the other 10 of these evolutions, and you will only be charged with just one evolution. So it's like a 50% off. So for me, as a player that has played 8 years, it's not that good deal for me because I already have most of my evolutions at 3 shards. So I'll just get this free Hunter Evolution, guys, and your item will automatically open. So open Clash Royale. Let's see. I'm really excited guys, because I always wanted to try the Royal Evolution Hunter with the Royal Giant Evolution, sorry. So okay, Hunter Evolution delivered. Oh yes! And the additional evolution cards will be converted. Okay. So they didn't give me any additional cards. So this is only great if you only have 0 Hunter Evolution cards. But wait, sorry, we are getting Hunter Evolution, so that's around 12 for each shard. Not bad. So that's it, guys. If you want your free Hunter Evolution, log in the Supercell store. The event is ongoing for 4 days. Nice one. Free Hunter Evolution. Thank you for watching.